So the next function I want to talk about vlookup. Vlookup is a function that is a reference function, looking up function. So useful to get data from our table. Very often when we do calculation, we might base on other Excel spreadsheet or data from others, or sometimes we don't combine spreadsheet. The syntax is very simple, it's a vlookup. And here the key is important because you want to look from the other table. You have to look at where to look at. That's the key. And range is the table you want to look up. And the table is list the data. The first column is the identifier you want to look at, and then column will be the which column you're looking at, and false is one exact match. So let's look at the following example. There will be 4 columns. First 2 columns are one table, which is the price table, and the last 2 columns is the volume column. Is the tell me how the daily trading volume. Sometimes you want to combine these 2 data sets. Sometimes the data is not. You can see the second row ringtail for A, but startup for C. But you want to combine them. You have to make it right. If they're sorted in the right order, you just remove column C. How to do it? Combine it with vlookup, and let me illustrate it in the Excel spreadsheet here. So let's do it. How do we do it is we are now at the B7, so we look up, and I want to look up the value with the same tail, okay? And I want to highlight the table that we want is A2 to B4, so but I want it to be absolute address because I want it unchanged when I move down the formula. So I press F4, make everything absolute address, and then because this is the second column, right? So it's 2. I want it to exact match, so I want it false. So once you're done, you drag it down, okay? Then you become everything is alright. And the volume the same is vlookup again. I look up the value same tail, and the table is C2 to D4, absolute address again, second column, and it's an exact match. Okay, then you can see copy and paste, and I'm done. So vlookup seems difficult to understand, but after a few times using, it's easy and is often used. So I hope you understand. I would like it. Thank you for listening.